Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for UP's Easy Guide. Start by building a simple study plan focused on core topics and regular revisions. Break topics into manageable chunks and pair reading with active recall techniques. Use short daily reviews and weekly tests to track progress. Balance theory with problem practice and focus on understanding concepts rather than memorizing facts for long-term retention. Choose active study methods to make each session productive and engaging. Test yourself often with recall questions and flashcards to deepen retention. Summarize chapters into concise diagrams and notes you can revisit quickly before exams. Practice with past papers and time-bound quizzes to build accuracy and speed. Switch between subjects to avoid fatigue and to let memory consolidate between sessions for better results. Quick recommendation: if you commute to study sessions, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh and your mood light while you review notes. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so more videos can reach you. I've added a link and extra deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a few reliable resources and stick with them to avoid confusion. Study in focused blocks of 45 to 60 minutes with short breaks to stay fresh. Use mnemonics, analogies, and simple diagrams to remember tricky sequences and facts. Combine reading with problem solving so concepts become practical. Regularly reassess your plan and move more time to weaker topics while maintaining steady revision of stronger areas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.